Here we are on Clothesline, the show where we wring them clean, string them up and put them to dry on the clothesline. So obsessed are we with rulers, ruling party, kings and coronations that when there is no swearing in to cut to live and report on by referring to it as a coronation, some newswallas may do with so-called royal coronations. So what if titles, privy purses, red number plates and royal privileges were abolished by the government and the concept of royalty abolished by common sense? There is always some magazine like Hello, OK or TV channels to tell you that this primitive practice was conducted in glorious pomp and tasteful pageantry, this time in Mysore, which saw very excited reporters covering minute details like what shaving cream the new so-called king uses and how many kilos of sandalwood agarbatti were used in the ceremony, and that he went to MIT, which turned out to be not. Times of India and NDTV reported that Yaduveer went to MIT, which it turned out was not the MIT, but some other MIT. We're assuming it was the Maharaja Institute of Tumturiki Tumtutu. Okay, let's be fair. He went to the University of Massachusetts in Amherst. Now that information has enriched your life, I'm sure. Speaking of royalty, even the Gandhis managed to make the news last couple of weeks. Several news reports claimed Priyanka Gandhi said this. Minister answerable as to why there is still no IIT in Amethi.
Priyanka Gandhi today said it would be good if the HRD minister focused on improving the state of the IIT in Amethi.
However, what Priyanka actually said was this.
मंत्री तो वो है ना, वो पहले ये बताएं कि ट्रिपल आईटी क्यों नहीं करा रहे हो?
So IIT or IIT. This was corrected by our Yale graduate, Smriti Irani.
I think you've got the statement wrong. She spoke of a triple IT.
Jonas, do you know how offended IIT wallahs would be by you converting an IIT to an IIT? And you don't have to go to Yale to know the difference. ये एक एक्स्ट्रा आई की कीमत तुम क्या जानो रिपोर्टर बाबू, एक 4000 के फ़ोन को 40,000 का आईफोन बना देता है एक एक्स्ट्रा आई. फ्रिजिड एज अ तुंद्रा बर्फ को स्वीट एज मिठाई बर्फी बना देता है एक एक्स्ट्रा आई. बुद्धू को बुद्धि बना देता है एक एक्स्ट्रा आई. Actually, it'll take a lot more than a sabbatical and an eye to do that. As they say, an eye for an eye can make the whole world blind, but not smart.
No, they don't say that.
Well, now they do. Also, last month saw the Modi government complete a year in office. This made sure news channels and columnists had lots to discuss. Where the BJP representatives had only praise and gungan to sing for the government, Modi Sarkar Zindabad.
A year ago, Mr. Modi clearly said, this is a government for the poor, a government for women and a government for youth. And what he was counting out is when I'm Pradhan Sevak, when I'm the person who's serving the people, I'm there in terms of it securing the economy and their futures. Therefore, he's putting out his report card. 15 crore bank accounts being opened in about 6 months. Social security for the entire population being worked out and already being delivered. 12 crore people getting it into their accounts. It's being delivered. Now, so therefore, it's achhe din for me.
And Congress pokies were?
In this government, yes, there have been no large findings of such sort, but I think the promises were about bringing a better economic delivery. Is India corruption-free today because of the new government? I don't think that's true.
It is not even a test match, it's an abandoned test match. This government is good on speech, totally poor on realization.
The UPA government had passed the RTA Act. What do you have here? The Central Information Commissioner has not been appointed from August 22nd. Mr.
So basically, for BJP spokies, everything Modi did, every move, every deal was dil ki deal.
तो आओ इंडिया, पाओ अपने दिल की डील. Only on Snapdeal.
And for Congis, everything Modi did was हाँ ठीक है और दिखाओ
अपना नारा और दिखाओ हिंदुस्तानी दिल कहता.
One channel that outdid all the BJP spokies put together in praise of Narendra Modi was, surprise, Doordarshan.
नरेंद्र मोदी की अगुवाई वाली सरकार ने पूर्वोत्तर के 10,000 छात्रों के लिए ईशान उदय छात्रवृत्ति योजना का ऐलान किया.
एक कदम आगे बढ़ नेताओं से दोस्ती गांठने का प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी का यह अंदाज हिट रहा.
अब भाई सरकारी चैनल है, घर का माल है, सो अपने मुंह मियां मिठू करवा लो. Doordarshan, you could have as well said Modi is the next avatar, or also you could have said Modi is like Akbar the Great.
If Akbar is great, then why not Maharana Pratap the Great?
Because Maharana already means the great warrior, you budhu. Speaking of Ghar Ka channel, we have Jaya TV, which is Jayalalitha ke Ghar Ka channel. On her 5th oath-taking ceremony, it showed the complete 6-kilometer journey with her full convoy and all her supporters thronging to take a glimpse of their beloved Amma. पूरे रास्ते भर का video.
Sorry, had made a call to Jayalalitha. Support being shown to the union government.
Tamil Nadu's Game of Thrones is so dramatic because it actually stars film stars just like this. Another Ghar Ka channel. I'll give you a hint. Reliance Foundation awarded scholarships to 24 budding footballers. Guess which channel would be the only one to cover it? CNN IBN! Full thing! Full speech! Watch.
Today, we are all gathered here in India's finest sporting and recreational garden in the heart of our city.
Wow! Isn't that wonderful? An iconic channel is changing how we view news. It's easy when all you have to say is, yes ma'am, we will do it. I am launching a hospital.
Yes, ma'am, we will do it.
Mumbai Indians won.
Yes, ma'am, we will do it.
I'm having a party at home.
Yes, ma'am, we will do it live.
I'm having a fashion show at home.
Yes, ma'am, we will cover it.
Don't forget my pedicure at 4 o'clock.
Yes, ma'am, we will do it.
Because that is how we plan to change news. Lovely, isn't it? वाह, वड्डे वड्डे लोग, वड्डी वड्डी बातें, हम छोटे लोग तो साड़ी छोटी छोटी बातें. Before we carry on, ये हमारी छोटी सी बात. The current model for funding news is the advertising funded model, and it's killing journalism. Advertisers make news more affordable, but at what cost?
Did you know that a magazine of international repute now appraises its journalists not just on their merit journalistically, but on their attractiveness to advertisers? Sign of the times.
And native advertising, where ads are passed off as news, is fairly common, while the real news is blacked out under corporate or sponsor pressure.
News can't be free of this if no one's willing to pay for it. The solution is simple.
When the public pays for news, news serves public interest.
So support News Laundry and help us make news a public service again.
Speaking of plugging your own channel or website at the cost of others, everyone is doing it by taking pot shots at poor Arnab. Except us. We take pot shots at everyone.
Hate Pakistan, else you're not an Indian. Kill them now. Ban her now.
You don't have the courage.
Act eye for an eye. Winning is fine, but losing is shameful.
On my show tonight, on The Big Debate, my panelists are...
Has your news channel turned into a circus?
And all are obviously targeting one person, Arnab. Considering all the channels are attacking him, it's clear he is the reference point for mainstream news, which now has 2 periods, BA before Arnab and AA after Arnab. He should thank them for highlighting him. पहले सिर्फ हम ही करते थे, सब हमें कॉपी कर रहे हैं अब. असी तो शुरू कितना सी, उन सब सानू भूल ही गए. But Arnab is even smarter than them. He doesn't make promos about his show or channel and run them during worthless commercial breaks when no one is watching. Everyone's gone to pick up some beer or go to the loo. He plugs his show and channel in the middle of the debate. Watch and learn.
Let me come to the nub of the issue. The nub of the issue tonight, if you allow me.
Yes, this is important. What is the main issue? The central point of the debate. पूरा माजरा क्या है भाई?
The nub of the issue tonight, if you allow me, is the fact that there are viewers across 80 countries.
I thought the debate was about freedom of expression and some students' club being de-recognized or something like that. Ab pata chala, it was all about Times now being watched in 80 countries. Ab aayi akal. Chalo, let's see what Times Now discussed a few days later.
Fawad, answer the question. People across 80 countries are watching this.
Yaar Arnab, too much हो गया. इतना तो अपना अभिनंदन भी हमारे न्यूज़ लॉन्ड्री के हफ्ते में सब्सक्रिप्शन की प्लगिंग नहीं करता. In case you're wondering, what is News Laundry Hafta? It's a very dilchasp podcast by News Laundry, which you must tune into every week to get the lowdown of what's happening in news. Do tune in and subscribe because it is uploaded from one country and can be accessed from 180 countries from all over the world, wherever there is internet and net neutrality. What was I talking about? Arnab, shamelessly plugging his show in the middle of his show. What other surprises did he have in store for us in that debate?
I request you desist from interrupting the other speakers.
No, but I'm
because
hurt.
they are listening. No, you may be hurt, but this is a democracy. I am a great believer in freedom of expression. And as they say, even if it hurts you, you must listen to the other side.
Wow, that is why we love you, Arnab, because you believe in freedom of expression even if it hurts someone. But we want to remind you of this.
What we are opposed to and have the patience to listen is the idea, the perverse idea of allowing a convicted rapist to broadcast his even more perverse views and graphically explain how he violated Nirbhaya.
We like the Arnab who's for freedom of speech, not the other. Another new practice that Times Now has started is to get one or two of their viewers from one of the 80 countries they are broadcast in into the studio. So you have 7 windows with spokespersons, netas and analysts, one with Arnab, and a couple of windows that say Times Now viewer. Now the viewer comes into the studio fully prepared to air his views so that he makes the transition from mere viewer to speaker. No wait, shouter. Lekin ye kya? Studio में आके भी viewer ही रह गया. The full debate happens and the viewer just sits in one window viewing the debate. ये तो घर में भी कर लेता. शेव शूव किया, हेयर ड्रेसर पर गया, स्प्रे करवाया, मेकओवर करा के, कोटेशंस याद करके, पॉइंट्स प्रिपेयर करके, भोला सा इस गलत फहमी में न्यूज़ आवर आया कि कुछ कहने को मिलेगा. चल नादान. Arnab, ये व्यूअर को तुमने क्या बनाया? But then again, there is the other Arnab, which is the real reason why he is way ahead of everybody else. His interview with Amitabh Bachchan was cutting.
Was your fallout with the Gandhis a result of Bhopals or something else?
Ruthless.
Amar Singh has been very outspoken about his falling out with you. He said, I regret the way they treated me opportunistically.
Relentless.
If the same film industry, Mr. Bachchan, comes together for Salman Khan, why does the same film industry not speak a word when theatres are vandalized?
Yet, not obnoxious or nasty. Now that was a great interview. Reporter Log, that's how it's done. Now we'll show you how it's not done.
From South Hindustani in the late 60s to Piku today, one of the amazing things is how you keep reinventing yourself. Is there a conscious... Has that been something you've consciously attempted or have you just been lucky? Well, where does the energy, the passion come from? That's the key. What drives Amitabh Bachchan at the age of 73?
Interview, well, it didn't have bad questions. It hardly had any real questions. It seems Rajdeep himself realized how bad his interview was that he offered Amitabh to take his place on the 9 o'clock news.
Fine. Do you want to come and do the 9 o'clock news? Do you want to come and be a news anchor?
Coming back to the Arnab interview, it was a great watch. Not only because of Arnab's questions, but also Amitabh's answers. New crop of actors who start pushing, shoving, abusing and punching journalists. Kuch seekho. This is how you answer and this is how you evade. Flawless. One more point for Amitabh Bachchan, because he gave interviews to pretty much all the channels and all carried them as exclusive.
बच्चन साहब के इंडिया न्यूज़ पर बहुत-बहुत स्वागत है. कुछ बातें जो है हमारे अंदर ही रहनी चाहिए.
डॉन का इंतजार तो 11 मुल्कों की पुलिस कर रही है,
लेकिन वो तो 12 चैनल्स को exclusive interviews दे रहे हैं. Since there's always much concern and reportage about minorities, Times of India recently published an article where they said State Minority Warfare Minister Eknath Khadse too has ordered a high-level inquiry into the episode. Minority Warfare Minister? I know there's lots of prejudice and profiling in India, and I know the Modi government needs to improve its image on the minorities. But yeah, a Minority Warfare Minister is an overkill, na? Thanks to our alert viewer Vivek Jha for pointing this out. Then Times of India had another goof up. It tweeted, Lucknow Whale Gate cannot place like Central Market in Gomti Nagar extension, and tagged Mulayam Singh Yadav's, wait for it, parody account. We'd like to ask Lord Meghnad Desai and the newspapers who printed this picture, what were you thinking? Finally, Aaj Tak, the Hindi arm of headlines today, India Today News. Because news is back. And if news is back now, where was it earlier? The ad said the circus is over. But it is so not over for Aaj Tak. The circus has just begun. And any new anchors for the nothing official about it circus? Because it was the same people on your Aaj Tak giving us an even bigger circus. But what Aaj Tak achieved was more than a mere circus with its Smriti Irani town hall titled Smriti Ki Pariksha. It was an akhada.
अभी असली उड़ान बाकी है, अभी असल इम्तिहान भी बाकी है, अभी नापी है मुट्ठी भर जमीन, लेकिन मुट्ठी खोलकर कई बार दिखता है जैसे विवाद हावी है। कुछ ही मंत्री ऐसे होते हैं जो आज इतनी हिम्मत रखते हैं कि जनता के बीच, छात्रों के बीच जाएं और उनके सीधे सवालों का सामना करें।
Before I show you just how out of control and out of line the show went, it's a good idea to refresh your memory with Sabse Tez anchor Anjana Om Keshup, who is a repeat offender, like Salman Khan, but not quite the star he is.
लेकिन अगर आप गलत जवाब देंगे तो मैं आपको टोकूंगी और 50 बार टोकूंगी। महात्मा गांधी ने जब अनार्किस्ट कहा था, महात्मा गांधी तो अंग्रेजों के खिलाफ लड़ रहे थे। तो इस बार आप जैसे चैलेंज से आपका मतलब क्या है? आप जैसे चैलेंज से आपका मतलब क्या है? आप जैसे चैलेंज से आपका मतलब क्या है? एक सेकंड, आप जैसे चैलेंज से आपका मतलब क्या है? साहब, आपकी औकात नहीं है कि आप इस चैनल की दहलीज पर खड़े हो सके। आपकी क्या औकात है?
अखिलेश जी, क्या बोल रहे हैं आप कैसी बात कर रहे हैं? सवाल आपसे कुछ पूछा जा रहा है, बेवजह की बात पर जा रहे हैं। अखिलेश जी, बहस का एक पैमाना होना चाहिए। ये जो बीमारी लग गई है ना कि आप सवाल पूछने वाले को शूट द मैसेंजर, ये ठीक नहीं है।
मैडम कम, अरे आप यार लोगों को मत लगाओ।
In this show, since the bar for cheap, tacky and inappropriate was set so high, Ashok Singhal figured to tell his co-anchor कि अरे अंजना, तेरी बदले हाजी क्या चीज, मेरी बदतमीजी देख।
लेकिन एक चीज बताइए, विवाद आपके साथ है। नरेंद्र मोदी ने सबसे कम उम्र की मंत्री बनाया, आपको एचआरडी जैसा बड़ा पोर्टफोलियो दिया, और डिग्री का विवाद, डिग्री आप ग्रेजुएट हैं, अंडर ग्रेजुएट हैं, लेकिन क्या खूबी लगी आप में ऐसी, क्या वजह थी?
For those who may have missed the question put to Smriti Irani, she, smart as she is, knew what she was doing. She repeated it to make sure everyone heard.
अशोक जी का भी सवाल शायद इस गहमा गहमी में आपने सुना नहीं। किसी ने सुना? अशोक जी ने, और महिलाएं ये मैं क्या कह रही हूँ वो थोड़ा सुन लीजिए। अशोक जी ने मुझे देखते हुए कहा, भाई मोदी को आप में क्या खूबी नजर आई कि आपको मंत्री बनाया?
From there on, there was pandemonium. I might have used the phrase, and from there on, it was all downhill. But when your starting point is so low, there is no scope for going any lower. As we often say here on News Laundry, if we think we're bad, we can always find someone worse across the border.
अगर मैं आपको आके कहूँ कि मुझे एड्स है तो मुझे भी गले लगा लेंगे कि नहीं है? लेकिन एक ये भी तो बात है ना मुनीस है कि हम आपसे वैसे भी हंसी मजाक करें तो आप कहेंगे वो लाइन दे रहा है।
On our caption contest, this week's winner is Ravi Prakash from our Facebook page. Congratulations, Ravi Prakash, and keep the submissions coming. Remember to participate in our next caption contest to get your name on the next episode of Clothesline. Well, that's a wrap for the week. If you saw any moments from journalism that made you go, oh wow, or oh crap, write into us or tweet to us. Subscribe to our newsletter and support our I Pay to Keep News Free campaign. We are the change. You are the change, for better or worse. Never do nothing. Stay connected. Stay online. If you enjoyed that, click up here to support us and down here to subscribe. Be sure to check out our older episodes and the other stuff we do, like Can You Take It, I Agree, panel discussions, comics and animations, and much, much more.